Hello everyone, welcome to MathNack channel. In today's video, we are learning conversions of fractions to decimals. There are different methods to convert fractions to decimals. In this video, I am going to show you few such methods. First, let us understand what are decimals and how to represent them. Decimals are the other form of writing fractions. As we see, there are two parts in decimal numbers separated by a decimal point. The numbers which comes to the left of the decimal point are whole numbers such as 1, 3, 25 and so on. And the numbers which comes to the right of the decimal point are fractions with denominator as 10, hundreds, thousands and so on. We can represent them as tenths, hundredths, thousands and so on. Let us see how to convert fractions into decimals with an example. Let us take 4 by 10. As we see, the denominator is 10, which is the first digit after the decimal point. So 4, which is the numerator, will go to the tens place. Now we can also see that there are no whole numbers in this fraction, so the whole number place remains 0. Now let us take another example, 7 by 100. Now 100 is the second digit after decimal point, so 7, which is the numerator, will go to hundreds place. Now we can't leave the tens place as it is, so we'll put 0 in the tens place. And even in this fraction, there are no whole numbers, so the whole number place remains 0. Now, let us try with another example. 3 by 4. As we see, the denominator is not in the powers of 10. How do you solve these type of questions? Now, if the denominator is not in the powers of 10, means you need to multiply some number to the denominator which would make it 10, 100 or 1000. So, if you multiply 4 with 25, it would give 100. Next, you'll have to multiply the same number with the numerator also, which is 3, which will give 75. Now we got 75 by 100, which we can easily convert into the decimal form of 0.75, and there you have your answer. Now, how about you try this question? What number would you multiply to 3 by 8, which would give the denominator as 10, 100 or 1000? Exactly. You won't be able to multiply any number to get these answers. This question might not be done in multiplication method but in division method. To learn about division method, you can find the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math learning videos.